Cassie, and today I will be doing a March favorites video, basically sharing with you guys all the things that I've been absolutely loving this month. But yeah, that's enough of an introduction, so let's go right into the video. Okay, so I think I'm gonna split up all of these favorites into categories. The first category being beauty, all of that fun stuff. First item I've been absolutely loving this month and last month, but anyways, is this Cocoa Calming Face Mist by The Body Shop. And I absolutely love The Body Shop. This is not sponsored, but like, hit me up, Body Shop. I absolutely love this. It's very hydrating, and you know, if I'm too lazy to do like a skincare routine, I'll just spray this in my face. And it smells seriously so good. It smells like coconuts in like the tropical area. I just love it so much. So the next thing is by, guess what? The Body Shop. It is this lip gloss in the shade Rose, I think. I don't know. It's just kind of like a clear gloss, but with lots of sparkles. And it's really subtle, but I just think it's super pretty. Yeah, I love it so much. Okay, so the next thing, the Claire's Matte Purple Nail Polish in the shade Sorbet Purple Matte. I know, I love it so much. And I think I've never tried matte nail polish before I bought this, and it's seriously game-changing. I love it so much, and it looks super cool. So yeah. This next one is not even a surprise if you know me or if you've watched my channel for a while, and that is scrunchies! I absolutely love scrunchies. I'm low-key wearing one right now. Like, if you've seen me in real life, I have a scrunchie on like 99% of the time, either in my hair or on my wrist. I just love them so much. My favorite colors are this red one, this pink one, and this gray one. These are my favorites. I wear these all the time, but I decided to switch it up and wearing this black one today. Long story short, I have an obsession with scrunchies. The next section is probably one of my favorites. Forget about beauty. I love stationery, like seriously. I don't know, ever since I was younger, I've been obsessed with planning out my day, doing crazy to-do lists, and just playing with stationery, and today I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite stationery. Okie dokie. So the first item are these midliner highlighters. I have 5 of them. I'm hoping to get more soon, but they're just a way I can color coordinate my life. So like red or pinkish red is YouTube, blue is school, green is chores or like family stuff, and purple is Instagram, and then gray is just whatever, you know? They're super cool because on one side, they're a highlighter, obviously, and on the other side, they're like a cool pen, so you can do like a cool title and then like write something down and highlight what you need. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with these highlighters, and even if they like run out of ink one day, which it'll probably take a while, but if they do, I'm just keep buying them because I'm obsessed with them. I know there's like a gazillion types of pens in the world, but I've tried a lot of them, and this one definitely stands out. It is the Papermate Inkjoy Gel 0.7. I love it so much. It writes so smoothly, and it doesn't bleed through paper, and if you let it dry, you can highlight over it, and it doesn't smear very often. I don't know, it's just a great pen. This is probably my new favorite stationery item, and it is my happiness planner. You guys might have seen it in my Plan With Me video, which if you haven't seen it yet, linked down below. But anyways, I love it so much. It's just really cute, and it's all about like being grateful for things, and it's not dated, and like that's my hardest thing is like sometimes I'm too busy to fill out a planner when I know planners are supposed to help you when you're busy, but like sometimes I'm just too busy, okay? And so it's okay because this isn't dated, and then I don't feel extremely guilty for not doing it a day and then having like a blank page in my planner, and I can just move on with the next day. It's really nice. Okay, so the next category, as you guys probably already noticed, is food. And if you didn't know, I'm absolutely obsessed with pretty much any food except for tomatoes. I'm sorry, tomato lovers out there. I just don't understand. I love ketchup, hate tomatoes. Anyways, moving on. So I love a lot of food, and it was really hard to pick just a couple things, so I narrowed it down to 2 things. The first one are these Nutter Puffs, and it's just, think of like, this might sound really disgusting, but think of a Cheeto Puff, okay, like that consistency, except for cheese. It's peanut butter. It's pretty good, man. And I think it's really healthy for you. I'm pretty sure. My mom wouldn't buy it if it wasn't healthy. Nutter Puffs. Thumbs up. The next thing is whipped cream, and it is not just any whipped cream, let me tell you. As some of you might know, I am vegan, which means I don't have animal products. I mean, I have honey, so I'm not like an intense vegan, but like I'm vegan. Okay, moving on. So I really like whipped cream, but all of the whipped cream has dairy in it until I found Reddi-wip. And Reddi-wip is like a company that's like very famous for making dairy whipped cream. So when they made a non-dairy option and I tried it, it's so good. Like it kind of tastes the same. I love it, honestly. Like, okay, summary basically of me rambling on. Non-dairy, it's almond milk, and it's by Reddi-wip. It's really good. And those are all of my favorites for the month of March. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video and commenting down below. I will be responding to as many comments as I can for this video. And if you're new to my channel and you've never seen my face before this video, then hi, my name is Cassie, and I post every single Sunday and sometimes Wednesday. Sometimes we get like a little bonus upload, I don't know. So if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, because I might post on Wednesdays sometimes, you should definitely subscribe down below and hit that post notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And one more thing, if you guys want to see my everyday life, behind the scenes type of stuff, then you should definitely follow my Instagram. It's at kasikaycorp. Yeah, it'll be linked down below. And yeah, I think that's about it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!